So, dear students, we are discussing about the cell. So, we have discussed how the cell was discovered. Uh, what is the are cells similar like organisms who just have one cell are the organisms who have multi cells and variations in cells. Now, we will discuss today what is the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay, dear students, cells are present in all living organisms, be it plants, be it animals. Okay, so where lies the difference? Because there are certain some differences between plant cells and animal cells. First of all, before uh, we know about difference between plant cell and animal cell, we should have a thorough idea about the structure of cell. So, dear students, cell cell it is composed of a covering. That covering is uh, known as cell membrane, or we can call it plasma membrane. It's a kind of protective covering which covers the cell, and inside the cell membrane there is a fluid like material or jelly like material, you can say, that is called cytoplasm. And in the middle of the cell there is a round body that's called nucleus. Okay, so dear students, this nucleus is also covered by a covering or membrane that is called nuclear membrane. Inside the nucleus there is chromosomes, there are chromosomes, there is nucleolus. Okay, so, and there is a liquid material or jelly like material that is called the nucleoplasm. Okay, and also there are some organelles present in the cell, whether it's plant cell or whether it's an animal cell. These organelles are called cell organelles. Okay, so what are these organelles? Like mitochondria is there, Golgi apparatus is there, ribosomes are there, lysosomes are there, plastids are there. So these are all called cell organelles. So where is the difference then? Where lies the difference between a plant? So this is the general about the cell. Now, if we have to differentiate between the cells, what is the difference between plant cell and animal? The main difference is in addition to plasma membrane, there is one more covering that's called cell wall. That's cell wall is the characteristics of these plant cells and which is absent in uh, animal cells, because uh, when there is harsh conditions, animals go somewhere to protect themselves from the harsh these climatic conditions, but a tree has to stand whatever the conditions are. So and what this cell wall basically, it prevents the plants from harsh climatic conditions and it gives firmness to the plant or tree. So that is the one difference. So the first difference is cell wall is present in plant cells, it is absent in animal cells. The second difference is plastids, like chloroplasts. Chloroplasts, they are the characteristics of only uh, plants. They are not found in sorry, in animal cells. And vacuoles, in plant cells, vacuoles are many vacuoles are present. In animal cell, only few are present. So this is one more difference. Okay, dear student. So now let's talk about what is the role of nucleus in the nucleus. It is a controlling body in the cell. It controls the all the activities, of the cell. Hmm. Second organelle is that is mitochondria. Mitochondria, it is called the powerhouse of the cell. It provides the energy which is needed by the cell. And then there are plastids. Plastids, as you know, plastids, they mainly contain this pigment that is called chlorophyll. Okay, dear student. So let's discuss one by one these plant organelles. So you will be able to write it in the examination.